Hey guys, this is Ryan D over at Audi VW Fall River, and I got a real treat for you today. I'm sitting in the Audi showroom in front of a 2023 Audi Q7, and look, we got those new lights on the grille. Yes, I'm excited. Stay tuned. Hey guys, it's Ryan D, and I'm sitting in the Audi VW showroom, and I got a real treat for you today. I'm sitting in front of a 2023, yes, first 2023 Audi Q7 with these beautiful lit up rings. Look at them rings. Yep, it's the first year for it. I'm making a big deal of it because I'm really excited, and I love the new LED lights in the front of the Q7. You'll notice they're fully upgraded. This one actually happens to have a black optics package, which really shows that LED off really pretty. This is one of my main features, and it's going to be an option moving forward on every new Audi. Now follow me this way. First thing you're going to notice is a full upgraded LED light. Yep, and one of my favorite things, you get a nice 20-inch wheel. If you make your way around here, you'll see it's got a 20-inch wheel with an all-season tire. Now the Q7 has great body lines. Now again, this one actually has the black optics package, so moving along the side, you're going to notice it actually has these cool trims all in black. So you're going to notice cameras along the side, blind spot monitoring with heated folded mirrors, which is really cool. Keyless entry on both doors. Now look at the body lines on the Q7. You're going to notice they're really nice. This one happens to be white with a black optics package. It's one of my favorite looks on the Q7. Now, making our way to the back, you'll notice just like the front, the LEDs have been fully upgraded. You get that nice dynamic LED style lighting. Yep, you'll notice the black optics package running through. One of my favorite features on the car. I love how they upgraded all the lights in the back with LED. You'll notice plate lights, reverse lights, brake lights. Every light back here has been updated down to the rear lights in the back. Really cool. You get an electronic third row back here for when you're not using it. You can put it up and down. Really, really nice. You'll notice this one actually has a black leather interior. Now I want to point out they upgraded the black leather this year, so if you notice, it's really, really dark. I love that feature. So one of the cool parts about the Audi Q7 is it has a height adjustment on the power tailgate. So once you wait for the chime, it'll set to my son's height setting. So on Sundays, I'll tell him, get outside, get those groceries, press and close and get back in the house. It's really cool. I love that feature right there. I just want to point out upgraded backup camera in there. So when we get in the car, I'm going to actually show you. It was fully upgraded. It's one of the nicest features in the car. Now opening the back door, first thing you're going to notice with the Q7 is you get a lot of legroom. You get a full upgraded rear with heat, climate control. You get vents on the floor and on the pillars, which is really nice. USB Type-C back here. You'll notice LEDs run through the floors and doors, lighting up everything, giving you a nice spaceship-like look. I love the black leather. You're going to notice it's really comfortable, really convenient. Follow me in the front. I want to highlight some of the features in the front of the 2023 Audi Q7. Hey guys, this is Ryan D over at Audi VW Fall River, and I'm just highlighting some of the features on the 2023 Audi Q7 that just came into our inventory. So one of the features I want to point out, automatic lighting, power memory seating, heated folded blind spot monitoring mirrors, which is one of the nicest features in the car. You get a rear tailgate option to open and close. All this up here has been virtually updated behind the wheel, which is really cool. You can customize it. You get a nice leather wrapped wheel. This one happens to be brand new sitting in the showroom, so it's got no miles on it. You get adaptive cruise control. You get a nice touch screen over here. Heated steering wheel. You get Apple and Android Auto in here connected through wirelessly, so it's really cool, really simple, really easy to use. Climate control, heated seats. Everything in here is really, really sophisticated. The touch is really like no other. I got to tell you, I actually owned it, so it's really nice to say. It's actually pretty nice to show off too, because nobody has anything like it. So if I do this and open this up, you'll still notice a wireless phone charger tucked away under here. It's a really nice feature right there. Putting this down, all this is lit up with LED. You can't see it in the showroom with all the lights, but at night it's really pretty. Kind of looks like a spaceship. You get all this upgraded black leather, which is really nice. They upgraded the color, made it a little bit more blacker. One of my must-haves in the Audi is a Bang & Olufsen upgraded sound system. Yep, this does have that, which is really cool. You get motion sensor lighting, LEDs are beautiful in here, lights up everything so you can see what you're doing. And you get a full panoramic sunroof with a power shade, which is really cool. Hey guys, this is Ryan D, and I'm sitting in the Audi VW showroom, and I want to thank you for watching the video on the 2023 Audi Q7. Don't forget to like and subscribe. If you have any questions on the video, please give me a call on my personal number, 401-529-9919. Have a good night.